Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 9th of February, 2023. Man, let's talk about the graph real quick because, man, over the last couple of days, you guys can clearly see off the price chart that the move has been massive. The price action in the graph since I did my last prediction has ran all the way up 158% on February the 7th, 2023. Congratulations to those who was able to ride the market higher because you did a fantastic job. Even in our last price prediction, which was produced on the 23rd of January, you guys can see that we played the upside move in the graph. 42% was had on the 5th of February. So anywhere between then, even if you were to get out the market right now in the graph, that's 98% profit from when that price prediction was created. Now, the question of the video is, have we seen a blow off top occur into the market in the graph? Now, blow off simply means that the market has ran its course, it is finished, it's become exhausted. The market buyers are no longer in position to come through and actually continue to push this price higher. And I say that because of what occurred on the 7th of February right here. Okay, this is where the blow off top occurred into the market in the graph. You guys can see that since the 7th of February, the price has been going down. So how should we be viewing the market right now in the graph? Well, I'm going to tell you that we should be expecting to find some areas of support. Now, you guys can tell I got this horizontal line here on the graph around 16 cents. That's going to be the basis. This is where we want to see more buyers come into the market in the graph to keep the price propped. If they do that, then it tells us in a longer term time frame, i.e. next month after that, that the graph is still a buy, and that's going to continue to go higher. This is just another accumulation phase that we're going to look for the market in the graph to come through and continually buy. Look at this on the 3-day chart as well. So again, I'm looking for that process. So I'm not going to tell you that the market in the graph is going to go down right now. I'm simply looking for price and buyers. At what level will buyers show up? So this is going to be my first point right here, around 15 to 16 cents. So let me go ahead and extend this over. Okay. Let's look at this on the 5-day chart. So we have what, 12 hours and 18 minutes left on this current 5-day price bar. You guys can see we haven't seen this much volume come into the market for graph since the market started trading on the Binance exchange. So this is very monumental when you see all of this volume coming in the graph right now. Something definitely is going on. I don't know if people are really trying to sell or if the market in the graph is really trying to buy because they know in the long term price is going to come right back up towards 40 cents, 60, 80 cents in the longer term. So everyone's trying to come through and accumulate a massive bag of the graph right now. Real quick, let's look at this on an hourly time frame. So here it is on an hourly chart. I don't see the market right now giving us a lot of indication that it's weak. The strength is definitely still here on the chart. You guys can even see here on the 3-hour chart that the trend is still in place for the graph. So actually, the market is still reflecting that it wants to go up. Look at that. Market has completely breaking outside of the trend. We are completely overextended right now in the market in the graph. So if you're not in this particular play right now, you may want to be cautious just to sit back and let the market relax and cool down a little bit because this is a very hot cryptocurrency right now. Okay. So I'm not going to really touch on this idea that the market in the graph is going to continue to go higher or lower. I just suspect that the price is going to consolidate for a couple of days, and that's going to give us more opportunity to see whether or not the price is going to continue to go up or down. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to touch off a price prediction on this video today. I want the market to completely show us if buyers are still present. Okay, if they are, cool. I could come back in the next day after that or so and play the upside move into the market in the graph. You guys can tell that there's a couple of articles coming out saying that United States regulators is trying to ban cryptocurrency staking. And I know some cryptocurrency have been taking a hit off that news, or it may be the news, but think about it. A lot of these cryptocurrency altcoins throughout the month of January saw massive gains already. So it's about time for us to see people take profit, right? So let me go ahead and do this. I'll do this, matter of fact. I'll go ahead and drop a price prediction. Okay. So I'm going to continue to expect that the market in the graph is going to continue to shoot higher in price. but we have to place some caveats on this particular move, okay? Now, we need to figure out and contemplate, okay, what's the trend? Which area, which direction do we suspect price has the easiest way of moving? Is the easiest trend this way, up? Or is the easiest trend continue to see the market in the graph trade sideways? For me, I think the easiest ways for the price action in the market in the graph is to trade sideways. So I'm not going to be massively bullish in this cryptocurrency, as we've already seen the market run up high throughout the month of January, right? And I'm going to lower my support area to around 14.5 cents. We'll just do 15. Okay, so now, outside of where price has already hit resistance right here in the graph, this would be our first price target now, again. So we've already seen yesterday the market was trading there. That would be our first price level. Second one is going to be up here towards 23.5 cents. And then the third one is going to be up here around 28.26 cents. Okay. Now, let me go back and let me get my magnifying glass so you guys can see it. So like I said, that first price target is going to be down here at 20 cents. Okay, that's our first price level that we're looking for the market to at least try to attempt to trade there again. And you guys can see that's around 10.85% right here, around 20 cents. Second price target, it's going to be around 22. That's 25.95%. You guys can see around 22, almost 23 cents. And then third is going to be around 28, which is 54.25, 27, 28 cents, give or take, somewhere around there. That's where I'm looking for the price and the graph to go. Okay. So now I really want the market in the graph throughout this price prediction to continually hold this level right here, which is around 13 cents. And that's where we're at. Okay, so now go ahead and give me your thoughts. Currently, if I were to see the price and the graph go down, I expect it. You know, it's been a great run. People are obviously up here trying to take profit. We just need to see if there's going to be more buyers willing to buy it than there are sellers, because if so, then price won't fall that far. But if it does, then again, we got price support around 13 cents. We want the market at least hold 13 cents to allow this particular prediction to play out. So let's say the market begins to go down, we hold 15 cents, but the market continues to trend higher. That's one outlook. Or we could see the price in the graph come all the way down to 13, maybe even come down to this trend line and slowly go back up in price. Okay, if we make a bigger move to the downside, it's going to take longer for our price prediction to play out and come to fruition. But if the demand is still here as of right now, the market in the graph will continue to shoot higher. I'm not looking for that third outlook, but it can happen. Slim to none, 10-15% chance, I would say, that we can see the market just out the gate continue to blow up and go higher in the graph. But give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.